This short video, I'm going to change the oil and the oil filter on our TE20, and we put a bucket underneath there, and I've got the plug loosened. I'm going to drain the waste oil into the bucket. There you go. And I'll let it drain now. Once we get the oil drained out, we'll change the oil filter. It's 17mm here. And we'll screw off the cartridge, and we'll replace the filter. So we'll just let the oil drain underneath for a while. And the oil's pretty well broken down. So once the oil and filter's changed, we'll tap the oil. Cap just comes off there like that. Just pulls off like that, just like that. Spring loaded. So this is just part of our 50-hour service on our TE20. So let that drain now for about a good few minutes, and then we'll maybe drain out the oil filter while we're waiting. Alright, John's tightening up there now, tightening up. The plug back in now, we're tightening up here. Right, okay, that'll do. Our next step now will be to put on the 17 spanner here, and loosen the oil filter. Now we're going to change the oil filter, 17 or 11/16. So usually the bolt gets wore. I have to use a 17. So usually 11/16. So we'll loosen that one. 2, 3, about 4 turns. Then we'll spin the filter off. It's a very long set of bolts, so don't fall off now. The short filter wasn't changed for a few years, so it doesn't look too bad. So we'll push it the O-ring now out of the filter housing and put the new filter, clean up the bowl here. That's our next step. So we've got our oil filter housing cleaned out there, filter ready to go on, and I'm just going to take off the old seal here. So old seal off, and we'll install the new seal, and then we'll put the filter into the housing, and then we'll put the whole casing back on again. So the filter will come with 2 O-rings, one for the older model, one for the newer model. So we'll put the oil seal back in again. Okay, I've got the oil seal on. Now we've got the filter. There you have it. That's a nice clean filter back in again. So next step now, we're going to fill up the oil. Now we're going to use the gem oil. It's 1540 mineral oil. So it's a slow drinker. Let the lipstick here. A wee bit at a time. So if you go too fast with it, you're going to have a a drip. So let's put the gallon in here. We'll dip our syrup and run it, check for leaks. So it's just a matter of taking our nice and slow. It's a good idea to put the dipstick so let the let it fill a bit easier. Put the gallon into it. So having the gallon of oil there now will dip the oil level. It's nearly up the top there. So what I would like to do with an oil change, I like to add this much here of barred oil, non-smoke. Gives her better oil pressure and keeps her from burning any oil because there's no engine. I'll just set it there. I'll let it drain in. This will take a while. This will keep the oil pressure a bit higher because this engine never was touched, it's the original engine. There's burn a wee drop of oil. And I like a wee drop of oil. Old engines never touched. This engine's about 70-year-old and it's never been opened. And it's still been used fairly regular, tractor, so it's not a showpiece. So I'd change the oil once a year. Or if you're working fairly regular with, maybe you do the 50-100 hour service on it. So we got the cap back on, dipstick back in. Check the bolt here and check the bolt in the bottom plug. So we'll give it a wee fire up here. There you have it. That's our oil change, filter change on our TE20. Our new kid on the block, Johnny.